went to the reception to check my YouTube and all that. And the weather is really good. Surprisingly, that last afternoon it rained for like half an hour, I would say. And now it's like super hot. It's just perfect for going to the pool or to the beach. Around the lunchtime, we would go to the beach. And I also have to film the video, so it's a pretty busy day today. I'm really excited. I slept really good because it was a little bit colder, so I slept like a baby. And yeah, now we're going to eat, and I will see you in a little. Just got back in the room to film the makeup look. It's like a pool waterproof makeup look. And if you're wondering, yes, I got my tripod with me because I knew I was about to film it and I was prepared. So I am about to set the camera and everything and see how the lighting is and also how the background looks like. I wanted to film outside because the lighting would be great, but I don't know, because you can still, like, here we have a wall, but over there there's not a wall, so people can actually see me. I don't know, we'll see. Because lighting outside is just perfect, it's super light, so yeah. Anyway, I'm going to set a tripod and I will show you how it looks like. Okay, so I'm about to start filming. I have everything in front of me actually, and the camera is all set and I am about to start filming. Okay, so I am done with the makeup look and with the hair, and I really like how it turned out. And now we are going on the beach, but first I have to clean up this mess and the mess in the bed, and after that we are gonna leave. Oh my god. Oh my god, the water is like so warm and it's like perfect. The color is like in dreams and it's super sunny. It's like you're not even in a like normal country. It feels like you're in such a exotic, or I don't know. Oh my god, it's awesome. I just love it. That reminds me of Jelena, just saying. Okay, guys, so the rest of the footage is missing, and I'm so sorry. I have no idea what it is. I totally remember when I imported the footage in my computer, but I don't know what it is.
So I wanted to say that, and I'm apologizing. And all we did after that was to relax a little bit in the room because going to the beach was really exhausting. And then we went to eat dinner and back to sleep. So nothing interesting, but still, I don't know where the footage is, and I'm so sorry. But I wanted to end the vlog somehow, and I decided to do a voiceover. I'm just using my headphones, so probably the quality is crap, but it's just an ending. So, yeah, I just wanted to say that. Thank you for watching. Thumbs up this video if you did like it. And that was everything for day 5. I will see you in day 6. Bye, guys.